My name is Georgianne Greth. I've been blowing glass for 30 years now. I originated my education here at Penland School of Crafts, and then I apprenticed up and down the East Coast, and then went back and got my degree in glass from Temple University. How it all started was my mom had a bucket list of going to Ireland. She always wanted to go to Ireland. So we took a family vacation to Ireland, and I got to see the Waterford factory. And it was there that I got to see glass blowing for the very first time. I was floored. You can ask me about colors. What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Made with magnesium. How about you? You have a color?
Blue.
Cobalt or copper? I never saw anything like that before. I was maybe 22. So I literally got out of the tour line and found myself in the director's office and applied for a job. When my family got done with the tour, they couldn't find me, and the director told me that he doesn't hire women because at the age of 30, their bodies either start to go or they want to go on to have children. So I came back to the United States and I was floundering a bit, and my brother asked if I could be anything at all, what would it be? And I said, a glass blower, but they don't take women, or a pilot. And he said, why don't you be an artist, and then someday you can afford your own plane. So for Christmas that year, he gave me 2 classes to Penland and a glass blown ornament in the shape of a heart. How I got interested in teaching was when I arrived at Temple University. I had already been blowing for a few years, apprenticeshiping, all that stuff. I was a pretty promising student, straight A's. My mom said she could have brained me because I didn't get good grades in high school. She said, I always knew you could do it. My professor said he never had one like me before, a student that is. He said I could teach it, I could design it, I could sell it, I could educate with it. And that's pretty much how it began, because when I graduated from Temple University, he offered me a summer teaching position so that I wouldn't leave just yet. And that's where it started. So sometimes, having done the workshops over and over and over again, I will say to myself, oh, I can't believe I'm going to teach eggs one more time. Oh, we're going to make hearts yet again. And then I show up and I see the magic in everybody's eyes. I could almost cry. They're just so happy, and it's just a wonderful day, and everything's great all over again. Glass is very magical. So throughout my career, and I guess you would say my education as well, I have seen thousands of studios, thousands. This is one of my favorites, STEAM Junction, here we are. STEAM Junction to me is STEAM. That creates energy, a lot of thriving, creativity. There's so much that this place has to offer. So people ask me, you go into STEAM Junction again? And I say, yeah, I go every month. And a lot of my students here are repeat offenders, I call them. And they'll say to me, see you again next month.